First of all, what I will give to ChatGPT, as you can see here. So I'm saying to ChatGPT, imagine you are a AI products creator. Okay, and here I'm saying that please validate my idea based on your expert. So this is kind of I'm building, but tell me the brutal negative things of this startup, because you know that out of 100%, whenever somebody is building any products, whenever somebody is building any idea, 90% of product, 90% of company, they are failing. The reason is whether product is market fit or not. So how to build? Suppose that tomorrow, if you are opening pickle shop, if you are opening milk shop, if you are opening anything, system screen is not sharing. Are you guys able to see me? Can anybody? Sarath, are you able to see me? Can you respond me?
Yeah, Sunny. Visible.
Yeah. Somebody
Maybe
says
network.
system. Yeah. I think please rejoin if you are not able to see me. Please rejoin. Okay. So coming to our own topic. So suppose that whenever we are talking with AI, so AI will always, give the answer like you are my friend, you are my great this thing. So always it will say that yes, yes, yes. Even though we are burning here 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, 1 crore also, na, even though startup is failing, but it will say that yes, you are going into the right direction. So what I have written here, the prompt, I told that you observe this thing and you give me the idea. Okay, what is the product fit? Whether it is going to give sustain the market or not, and roast on my idea, and give me that all the negative points, give me all the GTM. Okay, find out whether this is micro niche, whether the problem is facing in the society or not. So this is the general kind of high level I have given the idea. Okay, you can use this prompt. I will send through chat better. Okay, so I have sent you. So in short, what I'm trying to say in this session, whenever you are starting with any idea, na, you first give this prompt, okay, to ChatGPT, so that what will happen, your ChatGPT or any AI tools, they will get trained, because you know that always AI will use the previous memory, previous cache, whatever we are giving the instruction. So this is the initial instruction. Okay, now if you will see here, before jumping anything, previously we are doing HTML, CSS, and we don't have idea like what should we use. Okay, starting developing, jumping on code. As a developer, we always think that we are a developer and we will build this thing and we will launch on Vercel, Netlify, or we will push on Play Store, and we will make the $1 million in one night. But the biggest problem when it will happen, like when it comes for distribution, right? Distribution in the sense, suppose that I have the things, I have milk idea. Okay, that is local, it will work. Take some another idea. Okay, take the another idea, and those idea already somebody is using. Okay, competitors, they have some company they are following, or maybe you are trying to clone. So now if I will copy the same idea, then there is a very, very rarely chances that will scale into the market. Okay, so for that, we need to find out something extra auto tune, how we can do, how we can build the better product, how we can, build the things better, so that anybody, they should, if even though their customer are there, they should get attract from this app, from these services. So all these prompts I have given here, this is the system is instruction. And if you will see here, so now whenever I'm hitting, use ChatGPT basics version, no need to go with high. So if you will see here, I have given here. So what they have given me the idea, they have given that this is the better. See, from starting, they are appreciating me and they are saying that this idea is better. It sounds at a first, but you avoid the trap and almost building AI startup. Okay, validators fall. So here, if you will see here, now this idea will give me the positive things, it will give them negative things, and it will also ask me, give me the question where we can generally, like where people we will not think. Okay, where we will not think, will directly jump into the coding. Okay, the biggest problem of building any app or any business owner or any student is, even though for a student also, if you are getting any task now, directly we will start into coding. Okay, we know React, we know Python, we know this thing. Coding, don't worry, even though you don't worry, today is the first session, don't worry, I'll teach in the separate. I want to bring the actual product building, how people will build. So today is that initial I'm doing, later we'll do about coding full. Okay, so here if you will see that the chat gpt they are giving me most of the, ask them like, is it a good idea, they are asking all the given, they are giving all these things like, okay, they are giving me fine tuning my things, and negative also it is giving. Okay, and if you will understand that they want to they will go according to my system instruction. I would say that, do you know that how I did this kind of, anybody can imagine? I haven't done this thing. I open chat GPT. Okay, remember, this is the biggest prompt engineering. Today you are going to learn this thing. Now I'm, before showcasing here, now I'm going to showcase the real picture. Okay, how you can save the $1 million of token. Recently also, you know that in Hyderabad, so many company, they wasted 48,000 crores in just cloud code. So here is the main things. Now I'll show you. Suppose that if something is running in your mind, okay, don't give to cloud code, don't give cursor, anti-gravity or any AI things. First of all, speak here. Suppose that I'm going to now build one apps. Okay, so observe that how I'm giving. Okay, I will use my Whisper. Whisper is AI tool. Again, if somebody is not using, so you can download for your laptop. This is the Whisper AI for Mac, or I'm using Mac. So for Mac, this is the Whisper Flow. And if somebody is using Windows, so you can download. I hope you are able to see me, right? So what I will do, I will give the system instruction. Otherwise, you can also use this thing. Okay, whatever is working, you can use. So I just want to build one apps. That apps requirement should be anybody if they want to, buy or sell milk in my local area. So I want to build that product, but I want to write a prompts. Who is that? Santosh. So yeah, it is free, but some limitation is there. You can also download handy. Otherwise, you can jump into, let me do this, yeah. Let me do this. Later, I'll tell you what I'm doing. Explore this tool later. Okay. As of now, follow me and you also do this thing. Okay. Otherwise, you can do other. I will send the all problems. Don't worry. This session will be recorded. Okay, so where I was talking, so I was talking about this, how to get the exact prompt. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that I want to make the best industry expert product that should be very that should follow Apple principle, and that should follow very minimalistic icons, that should follow very minimalistic all the catchy things. My user is a person, local vendors, and somebody who want to sell the milk. So this is two connectivity I'm trying to do this thing. So I don't know exactly what to do and how to build, but I want you to help me on this. Write me a correct prompt where consumer and provider, consumer means who want to take the milk, and provider means who is giving the milk. So I want to write for me a correct prompt so that front end and back end, all these things, based on that prompt, I can build using anti-gravity or any another things. Okay, so write me very curated, very precise, in very short way the prompt. Don't do any unnecessary thing, don't fluff me, don't anything add any extra, so that my token and all those things will go best. So just be on the point and write prompt for me. So look at here, I have given now. I think everybody, you are listening me now. Can anybody respond, please? Chat. Are you listening me? Are you listening me? Hello, hello. Okay, okay, nice, nice. So in short, see, whenever you are jumping, I know that you guys, you all are, aware about the, how to do code. But I would say that this prompt I have given, and what I will do, I'll show you the real picture. So I have given here in rough language. I don't know coding. Assume that I don't know coding, and assume that I don't know anything. I'm giving here in rough language, and I'll show you how it will give us the prompt, and based on that, how we can do the designing, based on that, how we can do. So here you see, whenever I left this thing now, after that it is giving, this is the curated prompts. Okay, Same prompt if I will give to integrity, same prompt if I will give to cursor, or same I will give anywhere, Claude Code, Lovable, Bolt, they will do with this. But this is the specific prompt. Okay, in high level, whenever we will build the prompt, at the time we can build a requireds.md or skills dot or product scope.md, this kind of things. But understand this thing, it is it is specifying the structure of the requirements, user role. See here, backend part, outputs, what is the outcomes, region, generate a complete product, front end, back end, database schema, API, authentication. So this is kind of high level, where system will get to know what should I do and how should I build, what are the things I have to do. Okay, in backend, what is the possibility? REST API, GraphQL, secure authentication system. Okay, logging, error handling. So again, I'm not going technically, but first of all, I'm saying that before building anything, okay, we need to build the prompts. Number one. Now I will tell you how to verify the idea. Okay, so now what I will do, I got this business requirement. Okay, till here, everybody, you are clear. I got the correct prompt. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to here, and what I will say here, I will say here, this is the my, I will paste this prompt, and I will say here, so this is the my business idea. Okay, as already I have mentioned on the above all the things, I have mentioned that what is the my requirement, I have mentioned all those things. So based on that, give me the rating. If I will build this product, what could be the good, bad, and overall all the things based on the above suggestions. Okay, give me the complete idea whether it will fit in the market or not, or what are the problems I will face. So observe the above commands, all the instruction, and give me the next step. So see what I did. I took the idea, I told to the chat gpt everything. Today I'm using just 2 or 3 maximum: chat gpt, Gemini, and Stitch. Okay, so today what I have given, I given my rough idea. I given my rough idea, and based on that, they generated prompts for me. Like, this is the system prompts. How anybody can build a startup in just using AI. Okay, so this is the system kind of clean and fine-tuned prompts. Now already I told to my chat gpt, like, you treat me, give me brutal honest, and this thing, that thing, that thing, and the market cap and all those things. I already auto train. If you want, you can copy and you can give to chat gpt projects also. Okay, somewhere projects will be there, you need to create from here projects, and you can give instruction there. Okay, but now see what I did. I copy the same things, I copy the same thing from here, and I gave here, and I told. Now whenever I will hit this thing, if you will see here, so see here, so what it is saying, that it is giving me the execution step, and also it is giving me the potential, the revenue and competition, and what is the one line statement, and what is the TAM. Okay, TAM means how many customer will acquires, and what is the market scope. And if you will see here, moreover, like, it is treating me like as a certified, some VC, some expert VC is giving the brutal honest, what is the good, what is the bad, where I'm going to be a risk, what is the risk factors. Okay, what could be the potential growth in phase 1, okay, phase 2. Okay, when should we start this thing, where should we use the transaction payment gateway. So a lot of things. Okay, quality, how to understand. Okay, so it is not just giving about my product development. Software is this much. If the business, if the services is not good, okay, software, when it comes, when a business is stable. Have you ever seen that nobody has, I'm not saying about UGC, but I'm saying that local domain, have you seen that any without services software is running? No. So this is all giving about my products. This is all giving about my products requirements, good, bad, what should I do, how should I do, and based on that, what I need to do. Again, I'm not going to spend more times, but what I'm saying, in this way, I will give you the all prompt in one words. Okay, in this way, you can verify that what is the problem statement. Okay, what are the things we have to do. Okay, see here it is saying people don't buy milk once, they will buy it every day. Okay, so this is the recurring business model. So it is also giving the idea, okay, what should we do, what is the characteristic we have to, means what I'm saying, I'm not going to read everything, you can read later. So it is not just giving the idea to build the products, it is also giving idea, like suppose that whenever previously we are booking session with another some business owners, so they will say that do this thing, don't do this thing. So this is kind of all our pictures. Okay, now I will ask here, um so as I have already described all these things, give me the curated, very short prompt. Based on that, I can generate first of all design in terms of perfect, and I can also build some glassy or better or clear HTML responsive page with a premium UI, and you can inspire by some Apple design, or um, you can get inspired by glass morphism design or some better 3D depth. You can go based on that. So take all these suggestion and write some elegant typography, and based on that generate a very short prompt so that I can go with the designing phase. See, again, you can speak all of this thing, guys. Like I'm trying to think, I'm trying to build all those things. But what I'm trying to say that whenever if anything is coming in your mind, you speak for that, and you showcase that what is running in your mind, what font family, what typography, or whatever X by Z. Okay, I'm just giving the idea. Okay, now what I will do. So this I'm asking them, so can you give me the correct prompts? So based on this is the things font family I want like this. Sorry, I think it is generating. So we need to stop this thing, and we need to say that. Think. So we need to ask the correct prompt. So now what they will do? I think we need to refresh. Some problem is there. If sometimes AI is not getting, so we need to speak properly. So based on the above, write correct prompt where in Stitch, Google Stitch, I can generate a design for the landing page. Just write the curated prompt for me. Already all those things is validated. Now see, so this is again the refined idea with my brand name they given. Okay, and if you will see here, they have given only all the principle and whatever I told. See, if you will go to the same, you will think that here first I given the instruction like project scope. Okay, the project scope was front end, back end. Okay, after then I verified the idea. After then also I ask. Okay, I also ask that. Brutal, give me all the brutal honest, and also I ask the whether it will, what is the size, what is the volume, how many people will use this thing. So moreover, I'm not going anywhere, I'm sitting in the room in front of you, and I'm building the products where AI ChatGPT is going to help me to build the entire, whether whatever requirement is there na? So it is giving me, and from here it is giving the means front end, back end. This is the product scope I designed from AI, and this is the fine tuning I designed from here. Now what I will do, I will copy this thing. Okay, I'll go to the Stitch, and in Stitch, what I will do this thing. So this is the still Stitch product by Google. So from what I will do here, I will select here web. Okay, first of all, we are building a web. So I'll paste over here, and I will hit enter. Okay, from here, if you have free model, you can use anything, but this is for demo purpose. So if you will see here, so now it is started using, so no need to Figma, no need happy designing work. So still Stitch will do your, but make sure don't burn your more token on Stitch, sometimes it will expire also. Okay, if it is expiring, I would say that use another email ID rather than paying to Figma or big all the paid Adobe, all those things. So this is the things from where you can generate the entire landing page. let it be generated. So till then, what we will do, we'll go with another tools and we'll understand that how quickly you can generate. Okay, and we'll understand that. So this is right now we are generating landing page. So what we will do, we'll go here, Google Gemini, and we'll open this one and we'll say to this prompt, where is the prompt? Yeah. So we'll say to Google Gemini that, uh, yeah. So we'll paste the same thing to Google Gemini. Okay. So Google Gemini, I think everybody you know that. No need to explain in detail. And we'll ask here, could you please write an HTML code base for this and build a very clean system like based on the above instruction? Okay. So now I left. I'm using Whisper. I'll tell you the later tools. So now see, I told him, I haven't told here build entire. Some people you are maybe freshers, not much more coding. So I'm just going small by small. Okay. So if you will see here, okay, so I given here instruction. Now it is going to write for me HTML and CSS, all these things. And if you will see here, I don't know coding. Assume that I don't know, literally I don't know coding. And if you can see here, it is going to build for me, even though I'm non-coder, even though I don't have idea about coding. So if you will see here, it is generating. Okay. Till then, we'll see our whether Stitch, okay, Stitch, it is doing still work. Okay. I hope everybody you are following me. Is there anyone who is following me now, whatever I'm doing? Could you please mention your name, like anybody, if you are building, who is building, comment your name. Bhavya, Gayatri, yeah, you will get the recording, but recording, I think you have to wait for weekends because I don't have now much more because it will take processing sometimes. So yeah, I will upload, but on weekends mostly I will upload all the video on YouTube. You can also learn, no problem. But till then, I will share the Google Drives link in the group. So don't worry about session. But I would say that if you are building with me live now, so if you are building live with me, it will be very interesting. Sarath, where you are stuck, can you mention in the chat? Like if anybody facing anything, mention in the chat, like whatever I'm doing. If anybody class is connected to next, yes. No, Bhavya. So today classes is very connected to how anybody can build a products using AI, how to build a startup in one session using AI. I'm not teaching React.js, Next.js, okay. And also any classes is not connected to next classes. Every classes is single things. So somebody is asking me the prompt. Which prompt you want? Send me the prompt. Okay. So see, this is the prompt. Okay, for you can use. So this is the prompt you can use, and this prompt is for Stitch. Whatever I'm using here, Stitch is kind of free tools for Figma. Okay, and it is still taking time, so mostly it will take the times. Okay, and it will generate. And this prompt is for I'm using for Gemini, so you can also use this prompt. Okay, so today's session is all about to understand that how AI is helping in modern era, how people is building very fastly rather than focusing on writing manual code base. But again, distribution needs time. If I'm building today, I can build a lot of things, no problem. We can build with very fast. Okay, so many AI tools are that. But when it comes for distribution, marketing, focusing in the publicity, where people is lagging a lot. So that's a because of that I have given here the correct thing. And if you will explain here, they will also give me the idea. Like if you will read this prompt now, I'm sending you this prompt also. Everybody, you must create a projects whenever you are doing anything, any projects or anything. It will give you the brutal honest idea about you. I have sent 3 prompts. Okay, so you guys can carry on that. And coming to it is still taking time. So okay, so HTML, our HTML page is ready now. So now what we will do, I don't know coding. What I will do, I will try to understand that how it is looking. So I will copy this thing and I will open here online HTML compilers, and I will go here. I don't know coding. Okay, I have done with Gemini. And as you can see here, they given me something like this. Are you able to see me, my screen? I don't know coding. Without coding, I have built this thing. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the small thing, but it is not large thing. I'm trying to showcase that, okay, even though you don't know coding, or if you know the coding, how to validate the things, how to design the things, how to build the things, how to correct the thing. This is just HTML page. Okay. On top of a lot of things we can do, component, React, or use effect, everything we can do. So if you will see that, I don't know coding till now. I haven't discussed anything about any single hooks, routing, private routing, anything. I came to ChatGPT. I told to ChatGPT, okay, you be brutal with me and you understand everything. Give me the things. And I told second thing, I told to the ChatGPT, like I have this idea and give me the clean things. And same idea they gave me. And same thing I given to Stitch. Stitch will take the times. Sometimes it will take the times, but it will generate a lot of things. Okay, as you can see here, I will generate a lot of my things. And some another design tools is also there. I'll explain. But what I'm trying to say, till now, I haven't discussed anything about AI. Right now in industry, if you want to do anything, you just need to know about the right tools. I will go to the chat GPT, okay, and I will ask to the chat GPT, like, so I'm looking for any another Stitch alternate, which is premium model, not paid, not completely free. Even though it is freemium model, that is fine, but give me the top 5 platform none, so that I can use those alternate as a Stitch. Okay, give me answer in very short. See how I'm prompting. You also guys need to prompt in this way, so that what will happen, you will save most of the times, because ChatGPT is giving most. See here, this thing, framer, okay, wizard, Weasley, all these are the excellent, very interesting tool. And you can also explore this thing, how you can, everybody has the same things, like give the better prompts and give the better instruction it will give. And here also, like, there is option. Suppose that if it is done, suppose that if your work is done, if your job is done, okay, so what you can do, from here you can export this thing, you can go this thing. So I'm not able to see anything on the screen, so can you improve properly according to the previous instruction? Okay, so again it will revamp. Again it will revamp. If I want to say particular, if I want to share or export or copy or anything, so from here also we can copy and we can give to our tech team before building the real products. Okay, so Stitch is the things. And also in coming days I'll show you with anti-gravity how you can do MCP, so that you no need to come here, direct your anti-gravity will do with Stitch. I hope, are you getting my points? Anybody, are you following me? Anybody, are you building? Can anybody respond me? Okay. Is there anyone facing anywhere problems? Okay, I'm not seeing. I think everyone is doing great. Okay, nice. So no, no, sir. Okay, nice. Nice, Harsa. Okay, I want to see more response. Like if your guys are building, fine. If you are not able to build, no problem. Recorded will be there. You can go and you can look into that and you look build later. So see this thing. This is a very clean and very interesting product they have built. Just I given the prompts and they showcase how to start and how to all of the mobile things, and how I'm giving the services, and whatever is required they have given for me. Okay, although I given bad things, I should not say about Apple principle or all those things, otherwise it will take the greenery. The better you will give the prompt here now, the better output you will be able to do with Gemini, or better you can verify here. Okay, so today in this session I haven't discussed anything about coding. I just showcase first of all how to do design and how to validate using Gemini or any another things. In coming days, what I will do, in coming days I'll use anti-gravity and some on top of MCP, so that you can use better with anti-gravity and Stitch, where end to end. Okay, even though backend system also you can build, front end system also you can build. So this is kind of high level what we have discussed, and I hope you understood here, like how the things is working. And I think still we need to wait uh, maybe it is holding something. Okay, I think it is taking some more times, or some fadded thing is coming. So, but guys, you are MCP is all over kind of. We can add this thing into on top of anti-gravity or on top of all these vibe coding platforms. So, suppose that what is the MCP here? We have this much of tools, right? So every time whenever now I'm going and writing one things, we are going anti-gravity, we are going Gemini, we are going any platform. So how the MCP will work, we can connect directly with this thing, and we can Harsa, I'm not getting what's your question. So what we can do here next time, like right now I'm giving instruction here now. So our anti-gravity will give here the instruction. But see guys, how it is easy to build these days, to build our product, to validate from here, to understand the scope of the work, and build a end-to-end full stack system. Okay, although this is the first part, so I just given with static things. Okay, so what we can do next, I will show you the high level things. uh, just give me the idea, 1 minute. I hope everybody you are able to. Acha, this is expire. Okay, so okay, no problem. So what we will do today? So from end of this thing, a dashboard in Milk Link, a dashboard also. Dashboard, yeah. So basically, this is the single page Harsa. We have to also build the dashboard. Dashboard in the sense where people will keep today. I have 500 liters, but this is kind of for customer panel. Okay, so if you will see here, this AI is giving the everything. Like it is giving the user side, and it is also giving a provider side. Okay, consumer and user. We have to build using AI. Okay, what I will do in next session, we can go with a backend, or we can go with supervised other things. Till then, today what I will do, I will give to everybody the task, whatever you have learned in these things, you build. Okay, and you also showcase the things on groups. Send me the links. I want everybody, if you know the coding or don't know the coding, whatever is your idea, everybody build. Okay, and showcase in the groups or social media, wherever you want to showcase, but everybody build and showcase that yes, you have done something today. And also send the reference screenshot, whatever you have designed with a Stitch. Okay, and if you are using Google Gemini, whatever we have done basic level, everybody today do that things and showcase on, at least share on your LinkedIn, like whatever you have learned, and build this system. Go with whatever is your idea. Today is the beginning of the session, so we'll take pause from here. But the task of today is everybody, in night or whenever you got free time, you build everyone, because we have to close the today call now. And from tomorrow I will be very sharp at 7, and 7 to 8 again we'll go with the classes. But build everyone, even though you don't know the coding, even though you don't have any idea about this thing, you start building from today now. You no need you haven't need to download anything. So I have covered Stitch, I have covered ChatGPT, I have covered the Gemini. Okay, Lakshmi Prasna. Lakshmi, where you went while I was talking about same thing I was speaking many times? Okay, can anybody write what you have learned in the today's session? Like, can anybody write what you have learned? Okay, no problem. I'm going to give the quick recap. So what we have learned. So today's session we have learned that basics prompting, how to save the token. Okay, and how anybody can build the products. Okay, whether front end, back end, how to build the startup using AI. I showcase that, how to validate that, how to find out what is the drawback will come, and how to find out what are the challenges. Okay, Lakshmi, no problem. Lakshmi Prasna. So today we understood in this session using AI, using Stitch, using Gemini, using ChatGPT, how to understand the project of scope, what is the requirement, and whether it will work in the market. Okay, do you want to write me from tomorrow something like yeah, recording will be there, don't worry, I will stop the recording. recording will be available. Don't worry.